Today is my 24th birthday.
Holy
Woo!
crap. When you say that.
It's my 24th birthday. I'm an adult. Like, I mean, I am. I've always been an adult since I was like 18, but just saying 24. I feel older. Not old, but older. So right now, we just got back from church and walking around Asbury. I had a matcha latte earlier, but I'm gonna make another one. Christian's gonna start making our breakfast, which is actually 12:45 right now.
It's brunch.
So it's brunch. We got the fancy mimosa glasses. We're gonna make some mimosas. I'm gonna have another matcha latte. We're having our, don't put the candle right under the flowers. We're having ourselves a morning, as we should since it's my birthday day. But I'm gonna take this ginger shot, which I need some water. So, I'll chase it with like orange juice.
Oh. That'll be okay.
Yeah, if I need to. It's called spicy.
Carbonated. Ooh. Should I pop it or should I just twist it up?
Just do a little pop if you can.
That had some velocity.
That did. Nice. Should I sip right from the bottle?
That never goes well. You saw Shania.
I know.
Just to fill his cup, every sip will make him feel alive.
Shania, if you're watching this, this is for you. Delicious. Okay. So, ginger shot. I wonder if the person above us was like, what the hell was that? Probably. Although it is like a big ginger shot. Okay, we got the ginger shots going. Christian's making mimosas in the background.
Wait.
Oh.
Cheers.
Cheers. Thanks, baby.
Mm.
Perfection. That's really good. That's a really good mimosa. It's good. Cheers, guys. This is the Coors. This is the Coors Shots ginger cold pressed juice shot. All right. I'm probably gonna do it in like 2 sips.
No, I do it in one. No, thank you.
Oh, I did it in 1.
It's got a good burn.
It actually is not as bad as I was expecting.
It's got a good burn.
Mhm.
You ever wonder how they get these corks in here?
Mmm. That was good.
About you, I've been thinking about you lately, baby, lately, baby. I've been thinking about you. I've been thinking about you. I've been thinking about you lately, baby, lately, baby. I can see in everything I feel now. Oversetting highs on my side. What do you do when I fall asleep? Don't fall in. Keep myself with nothing left to you. It's never in my head.
What do we
Got
got?
the
What do we
whipped cream.
got? We got some scrambled eggs. We got some gluten-free pancakes. We got some turkey bacon. And the whipped cream.
That looks so yummy. Thanks, baby.
Try the pancakes.
Okay. I'll put some syrup on it. Got some syrup from Pennsylvania, where we're from. They changed, I heard in reviews that they changed the recipe to these pancakes. They took out the hazelnuts and replaced them with almonds, so we have to see. They're still good. Mmm. 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 Okay.
In my hands with you.
apartment updates. So here it is. Here's an overview of the space. It's come a long way since my last birthday vlog. I'm gonna insert a video clip of what our apartment situation was like last August 22nd. For now, we've been like taking in the outdoor cushions and using them like as a couch, like a makeshift couch on the ground. It was fun the first couple of nights, like the first week, and now we're just over it. Like we actually want our couch. But here we are. Put the mirror over here for now. So like I said, here's a full overview. A little apartment, perfect for us. So over here, I used to have my desk in the corner of my bedroom, but I decided to pull it out here one day, and we needed something in this space anyway, so it just fit perfectly out here. Helps me stay a little bit more productive with like the natural lighting and everything. It was like a dungeon in our bedroom. So moved the desk and chair out here, and then both of these things are from like Home Goods, by the way. And then we got these chairs, which you guys have seen in a previous video, and then our TV stand and everything. This is all the same. I'm thinking I want to put a lamp in this corner or something, or the fake tree. I keep saying I want to get a fake tree, but I just haven't been able to pull the trigger yet. I am so like indecisive. I'm like, do I order this fake olive tree or do I not? Do I get a fiddle leaf tree? I don't know. So that's that side, but the main difference in this area is the setup over here. So we used to have the couch back here in this area along the back wall, because sometimes people put like couches against walls and stuff, but in this space, it's such a large space going this way that it was always just so awkward having the couch so far back and then having this wide open space here with the TV over here. So we pushed it forward this way, so it's like super cozy and everything, and it really sets up like our living room space right here. And in the back, we moved the mirror that used to be by the TV in this back corner. So much better, because before the chair used to be in front of it and I could never see what my outfit looked like, and now I can. So I love it so much better back here. It's more functional. And then we have this little console table right here. It does have like a wooden leg that you're supposed to put on it, but I took it off because I wanted to put some ottomans under here. This is an ottoman I had in my old bedroom at my parents' house. I used to use it as my desk chair then, but yeah, I just brought it over to here, and for now it's under there until we find some like ottomans or something like that. But yeah, this console table is from Target. I can link it below if it's still at Target. And then this candle, you guys, you have to get it. It is the perfect fall candle. Caramel toffee, you would think would be like super, super sweet, but this scent is like so subtle, and it's just like the perfect fall scent. You just have to get it. It's from Amazon, so I'll link it down below. And then everything else, like this reed diffuser's from Target, flowers from Trader Joe's, Home Goods, Home Goods, Home Goods. So you guys have seen all of that before. And then we just have this little basket for blankets and Christian's ukulele. And then everything over here is basically all the same. Got a basket finally for this bottom shelf because it was just looking way cluttered with the littler wicker basket under there. So everything can go in the basket and it's concealed and it looks so much cleaner. And then another thing I do want to get for here though is like a bowl, so I could put like the onions and everything in it and it's not just sitting in the bags. But that's for another day. And then I think the last thing I don't think I showed you guys was this little rug runner for the kitchen area. So we got that from Home Goods. It's by the brand like Lowly Rugs or something like that. Pretty sure you can find it online. It actually says what the brand is and the name if you guys care, but it's the Hathaway rug. So yeah, that is the updates for the apartment. It flows so much better. It feels so much more homey. Like, I was so stuck on like how I wanted to decorate this apartment just because it was so awkward, like just so awkward. But now that it's set up like this, I honestly feel content with it just like this. Like before I'd always be like, I need something. I really need something to make it complete. And now it does feel complete. Like I could get more decor pieces and stuff like that. But it just feels fine. Like right now, I feel really content with it, which I'm really happy about. It only took us a full year to figure it out. But we did sign the lease again, so we're living here for another year. So stay tuned in case I switch things around or get more things. But we're gonna head out. We're gonna go walk around another town that's like a couple streets, blocks over. And yeah, I'm actually gonna change into the outfit I was wearing yesterday because I wanna get a picture in it. But yeah, that is the apartment update. Let me know if you guys like it. Here's the restaurant. It's called Rum Runner. Cheese.
Yeah, Brandon said more detailed schedules for y'all will be coming.
Wow. Babe, that is like ice cream. Why can't I ever get the top of your hair?
To turn it like that.
Okay guys, it is the end of my birthday basically. It's 9/11. We just got back from dinner and I'm gonna clean up our bedroom because I kind of made it a mess.
Hurricane. Hurricane.
Well, we did not have a lot of time, so we went to that like bakery to see if there were macaroons there, because it's called the macaroon shop, but it's not the macaroons you think of. It's like coconut macaroons. I was thinking of the other macaroons. So didn't get anything there, but then we started taking some pictures on like the side streets together. And then we were like, wow, we really have to leave. Like we should have probably left for our reservation like 5 minutes later, but I still had to like,
We weren't even changed.
We weren't even changed. I still had to like steam this dress. So this dress is from Nuuly again. This is like honestly the only time I'm gonna wear it because was literally the event in the closet. Yeah, this was the event I wanted to wear this dress to. So that is the great thing about Nuuly. They do not sponsor my videos or anything, but I'm such a big advocate. Like, if you want to get an outfit for an event that's coming up and you don't want to spend this was $106 like retail price, and I'm just renting it like for $88, but for 6 pieces. So it's just worth it. End of story. It's worth it. Christian's coming back with my clothes that I threw in the family room. So yeah, I had to change, steam this dress, find shoes. I wish I had brown heels for this outfit, but I don't, so I just wore white. But I'm gonna clean up that mess and we're just gonna chill for the rest of the night. And yeah, that is the end of my 24th birthday. I can't believe it's another year older. But hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.